to black. High number from the second, those are ladies and gentlemen. And my congratulations to the winners. It was already 4 black numbers in a row. Very close. Yeah, this is so close to 18, but maybe next time we will try to get it. Place your new bets, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to participate in the game. That's the final seconds for you. Before we will know which are the magic numbers. Number bets. Oh, it's so close. Yes, that's it. 3 numbers this round: 11, 18, 32. Good luck. Congratulations, 1,153 winners in total this round. Unexpected zero, which is called, pay attention on cold and hot numbers. It might help you to choose where to place your bets, and as well, betting grid is right here visible for you. Take a look. Bets are closed. Thank you so much. Magic numbers arrive. They are 17, 29, 36. Good luck. Reds. Odd numbers from the first column and who's on. Pay attention, that was on to zero section was 4 last wins. Already, ladies and gentlemen, this round's my congratulations. Top winners, Kencho, Mustafa, my compliments. Amazing profits. Betting time available right now. Zero green is still shaking a lot. Who knows, maybe we will have it. Final seconds. Betting time is over, thank you. Let's see where Lightning will strike. 3 numbers, it is for you. 24, 29, 34. Good luck. Low numbers from the first column for you, ladies and gentlemen, of the first dozen and second column. My congratulations, Rosetta, 4.8 key victory for you. My congratulations, you are a top winner this game. New betting time is available right now. Take a look on the betting grids. 26, 29, 32, 0, goes on to 0 section. It's shaking a lot. Expensive one. Bets are closed, thank you so much. Betting grid disappeared, Lightning numbers disappeared. Whoa, that's 5 numbers. 5, 7, 30, 33, and 36. Good luck. Reds, even high number from the third dozen, ladies and gentlemen. My congratulations to the winners. It is 1,387 winners in total this round. And right now, betting grid is available. You can check it out, take a look, get inspired from what other players are placing their bets on, and that's the final seconds for you to choose your numbers and place your bets. Thank you so much, better cost. Magic numbers for this game: 8, 11, each is 50x. the winning number this round. From the second column is their dozen, ladies and gentlemen. My congratulations to the winners. Thank you so much. Right now it's time to place your new bets. Hot and cold numbers are as well available for you. You can check them out and it might help you to choose where to place your bets. Final seconds. Bets are closed, thank you. And right now, Lightning strikes two numbers. 12, 27. Good luck. Wednesday Black, high number from the work line section. My congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. High numbers was 4 of 5 last spins. Thank you so much for this round. Hot numbers, they are almost all black, except 12, which is red. Pay attention on that as well. Betting time is available right now. Place your bet. Use your bet and all option as well. Final seconds. Bets are closed. Betting reads. Disappears. Lightning strike. 3 numbers. 12, 26, and 36. Good luck. Red. Even number from the second column, ladies and gentlemen. My congratulations to the winners. It is 1,360 winners in total and YG 1.1k victory for you this round. You are a top winner, my compliments. New betting time is available right now. Place your new bets, please. Final seconds. Bets are closed. Thank you so much. This round, the Lightning strikes 4 numbers. They are 4, 13, 22, 25. Good luck. Black hot number from the third level. Thank you so much for the session. Enjoy my Flora. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm back once again. Welcome on board Big Bubble. Top win for you at 7.6 grand. I'll be here with you for our next session, so buckle up guys. We'll see how it goes. You do have a little less than 5 seconds already, and we are going to start a fresh round, guys. Friendly reminder. Please follow the chat rules, they're very easy. Don't be rude and flood the chat and do not share personal information. Right? Good luck. And here we go, we got the first 4 numbers of the session. 4 lightning numbers, highest of the 100 X's. Alright, we're starting off pretty serious, guys. I gotta say, 4 black is our first winning number. Is a lightning number on top of that. Wow. Love it. 751 of you are going for the wins. That's 293. Those are winners. Nice. 3.5 for the best one. Hey, Lucky. Hello. Haven't seen you some time. Confused to see you there. Yeah, I was extremely lazy there today, so I'm sorry. Alright, last seconds in your hands. Ooh, 29 and 28. 0, 11. Apparently what you're looking for. Good luck. How you been? Hey, Bad Breeds. Welcome. So, check out this. 921 or Beautiful. Loan on number 13 from tier section, the first column. Beautifully done, guys. That's 13 grand. Vindex, very well done. Well, I used to wear my hair like this for like all the time for a long time. Doing it seriously sick of it. Never wore it ever after for like 2 years, and I guess I'm back at it now. Glad to hear it. You're good. I'm fantastic, I gotta say. Last seconds in your hands are over. Thank you. We're starting a new round. Here we go. Lightning numbers 6, 21, and 24. Ladies and gentlemen, best of luck. And we do have winning number of lovely 3. Loan on third column number, first dozen. Thank you, ladies and gents. Thank you very, very, very much. All right, wonderful. That's 351, so it's getting better. So you've been busy, guys. Call number, zeros per section, 0, 3, 1. Therefore, I absolutely love it. There's something tickling my nose. That's 220 of you. Got the win. 4.5 grand. Yeah, that's the best one. MPT. Good job. So, have you seen these coffee foams or whatever it is? Basically, you take coffee, equal parts coffee, sugar, and water, and you whisk it together. You whisk it for like 10 minutes, but closed. Still, you feel like your arm might, not move the next day. And you trade both. 4, 13, 16, and 18, guys. It's a nice 100x. Hey, we're on to an 8. A beautiful 8 live. Even and low versus number, ladies and gents. Right here. Why not column 8? I'm sure there was someone waiting. Indeed. 1,483 of you have been waiting for this number to land. Enjoy. Thank you. And yeah, I don't know how it's called. There's a special name for that coffee, but it looks so good. It looks like a coffee ice cream, just not cold. I want to try it. I just need a whisk. I don't have a whisk, and I need that thing that foams the milk. I don't have that one either at home, so that's what I'm really into coffee. Maybe I can be barista soon, guys. I just want coffee in my life. 7, 12, 15. We got a 500x and 15. $35 black, guys. 35. Beautiful. We're on to the black list maybe now. We're all black. Enjoy the wins in this. There's for section 26, 3, 12, and 20, 18, and 8. Nice. What's a flat white? The coffee? I don't know, but I want to know. It's probably coffee with milk, right? Because if it's a white coffee, it's with milk, right? And if it's a flat white, it's probably more milk and less coffee. Yeah? I will just have coffee shop where you can only get espresso. Alright, we're not joking around here. It's, it's gonna be a coffee place for the grown-ups. Good luck, everybody. 20, 32, 34. Some nice indexes in all of them. Isn't this a lightning number, ladies and gentlemen? 100x and a 34. We got our blind section coming in. Love it. Let's see how many of you. Straight ups for 660 people. Top one 3.4 for YG. Nicely. Okay, yeah, I see by the chat you're happy. You are a sad woman. Why, Marmaris? Please. Be my guest. A sad woman. Well, most of the time smiling. So, hello. My life is actually not sad at all. My life is absolutely amazing. Sadly. Right? Good luck, guys. Here we go. That's close. Thank you. Bum, 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 bum. You tell him. Exactly. 1, 7, and 20. 150 for 21, guys. Look. And we're on to the next win number, which is 19. Hello, there was on section. First number of the highs. On the top, that 9. Second, that's the first column. Beautiful. Joker, Merch, Rosetta, Arcus, and Solex. Love it. Thank you. So, Kel, what do you support more? Laura, the Twitcher, or Laura, the barista? You have time to think about it. Alright, good luck for everybody else. Guys, what do you support? Laura opening the coffee shop, or the person who does Twitch? The streamer, 14, 15, and 19 with 200x. On to the next week, number 36. We're definitely having plenty of reds in this session, I got to say. This is, of course, one of them. Third column. That was 241 winners. So yeah, the chat rules, very easy to follow. Everybody I'm sure every single one has enough common sense to understand, not to be rude, not to share personal information, not to flood the chat. Not because of me. I couldn't be bothered less. But it's for fellow gamblers, guys. There are other people who don't want to come here and see you sharing your phone number in a chat or something like that. So think of others. Don't think of me, okay? Think of other ones. Your fellow gamblers, guys. All right, let's see. Why? Oh my. 116 and 34 is 900 X's, guys. And here's the next winning number, ladies and gents. 8 flat. So back-to-back action here. Here we go. All right. Well then, Alien Cow Frog. Why do you have such a cool nickname? Talking of cows, by the way, guys. Before my shift, believe it or not, I'm a huge country girl. Okay, I met the friendliest cow ever. She wants for everybody to scratch behind their ear, and if I was leaving her, she started to scream for me. So I come back and scratch behind her ear. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? That's close. Okay. Let's see. Enjoy, Maddie. 8 and 32. Alright, 100 extras. And we're on to the next winning number, which is another even low first dozen. 1, 6. 6 Enjoy with everybody. You worked in a cow farm. I have been in a cow farm. In the old place I did went to train to like ride with horses. They had stables, they had horse sales, and then I had like a huge farm full of cows, and every time you go in, it's like, I know, 200 cows like turning their head towards you. I don't know, I am purely in love with every single animal except monkey, guys. Alright, that's a close thing. So that's why a cow this morning made my day's a whole lot better because of that animal. 13 and 24 right here, guys. 50 exits. Ooh, right. 10 flat. Lovely. Here we go. Oh, hottest number, guys. All eyes on the prize there. First come, first dozen. Rosetta, Matt, Kenem, and ... That's a cool nickname. Guess how you got it. Alright, so we'll see. Aww. You said hi to Stevie and you didn't say hi to me, Munch? What? That's upsetting. Upsetting. Alright guys, all items priced here, they are 2 numbers lightning, from left to right, 22, 24, and a 25. Alright, Patty, just as you requested, 17 black has landed. We do see all the low, second as number 17, beautiful. Already 5 blacks in a row, 1,451 of you got the wins. Kazuka, looks like you got the best one, close to 5 grand. So beautifully done. Let's move on. Alright, second column, a little bit of a third one as well, but majority, as always, guys, you love that second one, don't you? Good luck, everybody. Let's spin with me as well, so we can start off. Thank you. No more bets. Do not be rude in the chat. Hello there. All right, 12, 19, and 30. So all them red. The highs of 200x. Another hot number 11 black, guys. I'm out to the lightning dice. See you all later. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
I know you don't have to break. Anyway, don't matter. My name is Ileana. Hello, I'll be your host for the next session. So I hope you had a great previous one, and I hope as well that you will have a good time with me. So, okay, let's begin. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen, at this one. Okay, and let's check the lightning numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting with 3, 15, 20, and 30. 300 is the highest one. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting with the number 29 black. This number is from boys in section of the school and from a third a dozen. So my compliments to the winners. Now it's time for your newbies, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, how was the previous session? How was the time without me? How many lightning rounds did you have? Tell me, please. I had a really good break. I had a really good how to call dinner. No, I usually like mess up those things like dinner and their breakfast, their dinner, and then what do you call it in the evening? Good luck. Okay, lightning numbers, ladies and gentlemen. We have 13 and 13. Highest multiplier 300x. Ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing our session with the number 1 red. This number is odd, a low, and it's from the first column. So my compliments to the winners. Now it's time for your newbies, please. So yeah, there is a breakfast, there is a dinner, and then what is the third meal called in English? Ladies and gentlemen, give me please a heads up, because usually I'm messing these things up, and I'm sad about it, because I want to know such a word in my opinion. Lunch! Oh, thank you, Mo. Okay, finally, good luck. I thought so. Lunch, but wait a second, before the dinner? Okay, so lightning numbers 13, 16, and 18. 500x, the highest one. Okay, so we are continuing our session, ladies and gentlemen, with number 8 black. This number is from tier section, this even, and it is from the second column. So my compliments to the winners and betting time. What kind of road I do not want to go down, Chris? What you are talking about? Hey VL, how are you doing today? How are you feeling today, guys? It's a Friday. partying day, you know. But maybe you can like have some more calm party at your house with your family members, or I don't know, with your, I don't know. I have a dog. I would have a party with a dog or something. Enjoy. So because why not, right? So maybe I have a 3 lightning numbers 0, 2, and 21. 300 like the highest multiplier. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing our session with our plan section, and it is 35 from 30,000 and it's from first column. So well done in betting that. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, some people call it tea. You mean lunch? Or what are you usually people are calling tea? Well, at least now I know how all the 3 times of the meal, all 3 meals of the day is called, you know? Like, I'm kind of was ashamed, good luck, that I'm almost 25 and I don't know the order. 2 lightning numbers 12 and 27, ladies and gentlemen. Dinner is called tea in the North England. Okay, now I will like learn a lot more than I thought I will. Okay, next number, ladies and gentlemen, 21 red. Section order high number 1, and it's 1900X, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, next one we will have a number from tier section, and it is the number 27 red, which as I can see as well as the coldest one on the table. The number is odd and it's from third column. So my compliments and placing units, please. Arvind, if you're having some trouble, you can call live support by yourself. You're having an icon with a headphones on the top of the chat, and that's basically live support. Mo, what is your question again? I don't know. I was asking Mo if like you're calling lunch as tea, good luck, then I can say, for example, I will have tea in the evening and people understand me. 27, 28, 34, ladies and gentlemen, lightning numbers. Next number with me, ladies and gentlemen, is 19 red, and this number is from voice and section and it is old and high. My compliments to the winners and placing you. Let's check out the layout for a bit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, 0 we are having dancing, 17 dancing as well. A bit, not many numbers I was actually that are shaking up. Okay. No, Mo, there was one player who was saying good luck that basically in England they are calling dinner tea. So basically tea. Okay, 10, 24, and 35 are lightning numbers, and we've got to take the highest one. I don't know, Mo, that player was rooting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 red is the next one with me. It's even high number from tier section, so my compliments to the winners out in total 1,403 minutes. Well done and placing you, please. I see that you are not familiar with this kind of phrase what they are using it there. I'm not sure if they even are. Maybe that player was just like joking with me. Oh, you are from London. Good luck. Okay, so maybe you are having an answer about that C question. Okay, in this one we will have 3 lightning numbers, 13, 14, and 29, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next one is the same as we have already 1 round ago, and I'm talking about 19 red, which is number 4 from first column and poison section. Well done and place in unit, please. You're from London, bad, and you're saying it's tea. I know that people are saying, for example, I'm watching YouTube, I know, like, what is now kind of popular and what's not. And tea, they are calling tea as rumors. Basically, the new rumors. Enjoy. That's what they are calling tea. But like, if someone is calling tea as synonyms for dinner, 4, 23, 25, lightning numbers, ladies and gentlemen. Orphan section will be the next one, and number 20 black, ladies and gentlemen, which is even higher than from second column. So my compliments to the winners and placing you, please. Poland players. So yeah, basically, I guess I will not receive. Dinner is at midday. Every one of you is saying a different theory when it is running. So bad bread. Please, explain me then. First of all, it's breakfast. That's logical, right? Enjoy. Afterwards, there is lunch and then dinner. No? Okay, so 3 lightning numbers, 16, 26, and 32. 500x, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the next one is from Orphan section as well. This number right now is on a cold number list. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about 17 black. Number is odd and low, my compliments, betting time. Oh, now you are saying that there is a breakfast, then it's a dinner, not lunch, then tea, and then supper. That last word, no clue. No clue what you even mean. I guess it's some snack or something. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy. For this round, we will have 3 lightning numbers. Those are 31, 33, 36, and a highest multiplier 200x. Okay, so ball landed on 24 black, number from series section with it, which is even, and from third column. Congratulations, place a new bet. Chris, bad bread, yeah. And there was another player who was as well saying his own version of it. I guess we will end this discussion, this topic, with the fact that basically for each person that's differently. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good luck in this round. Let's check. The lightning numbers of this round will have 3 of them again. Those are 10, 17, and 34, ladies and gentlemen, all of them 50x. And ball landed on a lightning number, ladies and gentlemen. It's the number 17 black, which multiplies by 50x. So my compliments to all winners. In total, we are having 1,489 lightning winners, exactly 862. Top winner, Big Bob, with 23,049 euro winning. Great. First round, which is a lightning one with me. Let's hope that we will have plenty. Of course, Chris, that yours one is the right one. I think everyone would say that about his own version, right? Okay, lightning numbers 2, 12, and 29, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. This round, ladies and gentlemen, is 5 red. This number is from tier section, it is odd, and it's from second column. So my compliments to the winners and place in use, please. Yeah, Maddie, exactly. I just wanted to find out the answer to my question, which I'm having.